सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एपिसोड्स ऑफ बेस्ट क्वेस्ट। एंड अभी कुछ दिनों से ये मैं बना रहा हूँ जिसमें आई विल बी हेल्पिंग यू एस्पिरेंट्स टू टेक द डिसीजन की प्रेफरेंस फीलिंग के टाइम में कौन से ब्रांच को प्रायोरिटाइज करना है, राइट? क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को डाउट होता है, बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं होता है कि डुअल डिग्री कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है। एंड ऑल्सो लाइक लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव वियर्ड थॉट्स कि ये ब्रांच अच्छा है या फिर दूसरा वाला इतना अच्छा नहीं है। सो उस डाउट के लिए मैं ये सीरीज बना रहा हूँ, ठीक है। फॉर टुडेज वीडियो द ब्रांच will be MSc Chemistry at BITS Pilani, and for that I have a very special guest on my channel. He is not a newcomer on my channel and he is one of my oldest friend, and welcome Dhaval to my channel. Yes.
Hello, I'm Dhaval Pungalia. Now I'm in my 4th year and my branch is Masters of Science in Chemistry and Bachelors of Engineering in Computer Science.
So Dhaval, I want to know about like what is this MSc Chemistry? Like MSc Chemistry doing at BITS Pilani, which is an engineering college, and a little more details about the subject that we study under this course, right?
So basically, Masters of Science in Chemistry, it's mainly a degree which people use for the ones who are interested in chemistry take this degree, or if you have a low BITSAT score, sorry, that is just a fact that
that's
is
a fact,
the case. So I also had a very low score of 274, so it's fine, nothing, it's okay. So chemistry in general, you have the subjects like physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. Okay, just like you had it in JEE. If you all, most of you are aspirants right now, so I'm sure you might be studying these three: physical, organic, and inorganic. Now, since it is a specialized degree, you will have it in much more detail. All three of them. Physical, say you will have thermodynamics. You have a new field called quantum chemistry, quantum mechanics, which you might have heard a lot. I'm sure it's a fancy term. Then you also have in organic, it is mainly in general it will be rote based, but it will also be a bit logic based. Inorganic can be anything. It's vast, so you can't really categorize it much. And in organic chemistry, you have your the JEE organic which you have done, that will be there. Along with that, in much more detail, you'll have a lot of reactions. Stereochemistry will be, you'll look at stereochemistry in a very different way, and it's going to be fun. Now these are the courses which you have. Along with this, you have 3 labs. One in 2-2, that is second year second semester. One in third year first semester. One in third year second semester. These 2 of these labs you have to do in the laboratory, where you actually use the chemicals and you perform. You need to find out the element. You need to perform certain tests. Basically, आपने जो organic के end में जो भी tests होते थे ना, वो उसके basis पे एक lab होता है. One lab is based on spectroscopy. It's a completely new thing. And I found it to be very interesting. And in fact, this it's called instrumental methods of analysis. This laboratory, made me develop my interest in chemistry a lot, to a great extent. So this is a basic overview of the physical, organic, and inorganic, and the laboratories. These are the 4 broad categories that you will have in MSc Chemistry in your third year and second year. So you will start with these courses in your second year. And in your third year, you will also have these courses. And fourth year, you may or may not have electives. But I was the chemistry secretary as well for 2 years in my second year and third year. So I got to interact with the faculty on a personal level a lot. So I actually got to know what their research was and how they pursued it, and what made them get into the research side.
So come to the second question would be like, what are the kind of opportunities that lie specifically in the chemistry side of things at BITS Pilani? Yeah.
So in general, as I mentioned, the masters, the research side is amazing. The professors are excellent. You get a lot of research experience, because we actually you have projects. You can work under any professor, physical, organic, inorganic, depending on your personal interest. You can, in fact, there are people who eventually publish research papers at undergrad level itself, which is a very big thing, to be honest.
Right.
And opportunities in general, main best advantage is it gives you a good push start for your career. You after this 5 years of course, you can go ahead with doing a PhD in chemistry, and start an amazing career in chemistry, proper research level. So overall, you'll get a lot of opportunities.
If there is someone who really likes organic chemistry and physical chemistry but doesn't like inorganic chemistry, like would you recommend them for this entire curriculum?
Even I personally I liked all three of them: physical, organic, inorganic. So in my case, I didn't face this issue, but some of my friends had that issue. So what happens is you score extremely well in some courses, you don't score well in the others, which is perfectly fine.
Right.
That all is secondary. Primary aim is your learning, what you get to learn. So I mentioned about projects a while ago. I personally have done 2 projects under one of our professors. He's a fellow of the Royal Society of Chemistry, United Kingdom, London. And his name is Professor Ranjan Day. So I got to learn a lot of things about, his domain is thermodynamics. And I loved thermodynamics right from my first year. And I enjoyed it a lot. It was fun to work under him. So that's what I gave my personal example. I know people who liked organic more than physical. So they ended up doing research work under professors who are into organic chemistry, and then eventually it's all up to you. It's not like if you like one thing more than the other, so you will not enjoy. The science department professors are amazing,
Right.
and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So don't worry about that point at all.
कमिंग टू वन मोर क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि पता है कि यार बिट्स में काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव है, राइट? सो डू यू थिंक दैट डुअल डिग्री फॉर से इन MSc chemistry at BITS Goa is a good option, considering the fact that dual degree fees are around like 4 to 5 lakhs more than the single degree?
So ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा है कि यार मैं लोकल कॉलेज में जाऊँ या IIT NIT में जाऊँ या BITS Goa में ड्यूअल डिग्री लूँ. हाँ, सो मेरे को चॉइस था वेदर टू गो अहेड विद CS, वो भी CS COEP या BITS Goa में dual degree. I went ahead with the dual degree option for one reason. ये था कि 2 of my elder brothers were already studying in BITS Goa, same campus. तो वो तो मेरा पर्सनल ये था, बट ठीक है, वो एक है. Second reason was proximity between Goa and Pune. It's very, distance is also a factor. अब जैसे मान लो पिलानी तुम्हें मिल रहा है और तुम रहते हो साउथ में कहीं, तो तुम हैदराबाद कैंपस प्रेफर करोगे फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस. ठीक है. तीसरा फैक्टर आता है एलुमनाई. बहुत बढ़िया है BITS in general. The advantage is really great. In general, you'll find alumni everywhere. This is a very major factor which I personally had, because my own brothers were there, so I knew about this point. In even the junior senior interaction when you come to the campus, or online SEM in this case, we have this program called the peer mentorship program, BITS Goa, where the second year students provide assistance to the first years,
right? And
you have third year students as well to help you out. So these are small points which which are the positives about BITS as a whole.
Got a seat at JU, which is the best engineering college in West Bengal after IIT.
West Bengal.
Yeah. So yeah, तो मुझे भी मिला था, but the kind of the atmosphere and other things जो मैंने consider किया था, my parents' point of view was a little different कि यार JU is very cheap, like around I guess 10,000 rupees entire engineering. JU was pretty good actually when मतलब यहाँ बंगाल के बहुत लोग जानते हैं इसके बारे में. My father was also very happy that I got into that, but personally मैं खुश नहीं था because at that point of time मुझे BITS में सीट नहीं मिला था. So I had a difficult time convincing my parents कि my mom was really supportive. My dad थोड़ा था कि यार बहुत महंगा है, ये है वो है, but I like as Dhaval already said कि long term perspective, the alumni network, the startup culture and also people around, तो जो mindset होता है ना लोगों के मतलब जो अच्छे लोगों के साथ रह कर, तो वो थोड़ा मुझे लगा कि बाहर स्टेट में जाके that would be much better for me, and I feel today that was a very good decision for me. मतलब वो long term में वो
Nice,
5-6
nice.
lakhs, it doesn't really matter.
I'm sure Somrat has already explained about the scholarships and the MCN and all those in his videos. We'll attach the link in the description of those videos as well. You have a choice to, regarding fees, he has made videos. So do watch that if fees is still an issue, if for you.
If fees is still an issue, you can also unlike me and pay the college fees maybe.
Yeah, that's like Jai Somrat Bhaiya. That's actually a great thing which Somrat does, and I highly respect, and I have a lot of respect for him. Ki yaar, despite such hectic schedules, despite so many commitments, so many academic pressure, he still is able to earn, and that's really.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm not able to do that, so good thing.
Yeah.
That's
and one more thing यार, ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो ड्यूअल डिग्री का like the 5th year लगता है यार बहुत लंबा है 4 साल से, तो ऐसा कोई फायदा है क्या, लाइक 1 साल ज्यादा होने का, या फिर कोई डिसएडवांटेज है?
फायदा तो है बस ये अभी देखो सोमरत भैया ने शायद एक और प्रैक्टिस स्कूल पे भी वीडियो बनाया है मेरे को, इफ आई हैड सीन दैट, मेरे को याद है. सो वी हैव दिस थिंग कॉल्ड प्रैक्टिस स्कूल 2. This is for the dual degree students in their 5th year, in their 5-1 and 5-2. So this is the biggest advantage which the dual degree students have. अब इसमें क्या फंडा है? You have an option to either do a thesis, which is research under a professor in any institute. It can be in India, it can be abroad. ये thesis अगर आपको करना है research, तो आपको खुद से ढूंढना पड़ता है, ठीक है? Or you have an option of doing an internship, a 6-month, 5-month long internship in a company. This is allotted by the college. Now, the best advantage is you can do the internship, jahan par you earn, you do your work, you do work as well, and you also have chances of getting, if you perform well, obviously, you have chances of getting a pre-placement offer, which is basically you eventually get a job in that company itself. बिकॉज तुम ऐसा सोच लो ना, तुमने पूरा 1 साल एज एन इंटर्न काम किया है किसी कंपनी में, सो तुमको कंपनी के बारे में पूरा पता चल गया है, एंड इफ यू स्टार्ट लाइकिंग दैट कंपनी, वहाँ का वर्क कल्चर, एवरीथिंग, so it's an added advantage to you, to the company. So obviously there are higher chances of them offering you pre-placement offer जो बोलते हैं PPO, basically join the company for long term as a full-time engineer. So बहुत बड़ा advantage. This is the biggest pro of dual degree.
The biggest benefit is that you can get the engineering of your choice, quoted CJPA हो, after your first.
वो बहुत बड़ा स्टार, वो बहुत बड़ा कंडीशन डाल दिया आपने. CGPA अगर आया ही नहीं तो नो कमेंट्स.
बट ठीक है, आई गेस दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग. फर्स्ट रीजन कि तुम्हें पता नहीं कि तुम्हारे CS में इंटरेस्ट है, तुम्हें लगता है, बट तुम्हें पता नहीं कि इंजीनियरिंग में कैसा है. तुम्हें मैकेनिकल में इंटरेस्ट हो, बट तुम्हें एक्चुअली पता नहीं कि कैसा होता है. बट इन योर फर्स्ट ईयर विदाउट एन इंजीनियरिंग डिग्री यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस दोस स्ट्रीम्स, राइट? तो उसके हिसाब से तुम एक अच्छा सा वाइज डिसीजन ले सकते हो आफ्टर योर फर्स्ट ईयर. आई गेस दिस इज अ वेरी बिग एडवांटेज, राइट? एंड इवन यू कैन चेंज योर स्ट्रीम. Quoted CGPO.
Okay, by the way, I wanted to add one small con.
Sure.
Third year.
Yeah, oh my God.
Somrat, कुछ बोलना चाहोगे? Third year is very hectic. Yeah. Very hectic. Very, very hectic. अब ऐसा मान लो यार, तुम 2 डिग्री एक साथ पढ़ रहे हो, 2 डिग्री के कोर्सेज एक साथ कर रहे हो. It is very hectic. So thankfully, in our case, it was online for Somrat and me. But our seniors had it offline, and we have seen them struggle. We have seen how hectic it used
labs,
to be.
Right? Oh my God.
It's not easy to manage. Yeah. It's not easy to manage. I'll be very honest with you. It is very hectic. But overall, third year is very hectic, especially if you have if you're a head of something, say some club or department. अगर किसी के head या कोऑर्डिनेटर जो बोलते हैं हम वो हो, तो और ज़्यादा हेक्टिक हो जाता है. इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज. टाइम मैनेजमेंट बिकम्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल लॉन्ग टर्म पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में यार 2 डिग्री भी मिल रहा है, यू हैव एन ऑप्शन कि भाई मेरे को मैंने रिसर्च साइड भी देख लिया, मैंने इंजीनियरिंग साइड भी देख लिया, अब मेरे पास ऑप्शन है, मेरे को कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जाना है या फिर से आईटी जॉब कोर में इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स या फिर फाइनेंस साइड में जाना है, या मेरे को रिसर्च में जाना है। माई इंटरेस्ट जैसे देर आर स्पेशली इन फिजिक्स वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ सीनियर्स हु गेट इनटू रिसर्च। केमिस्ट्री में बहुत कम लोग जाते हैं, आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, लाइक इन माय बैच ओनली 1 person is very much interested in research in chemistry. In my senior batch only 1 out of 50 they want to focus more on their engineering degree and get into the engineering side, say IT job ya fir jo bhi, so
Right.
which is fine, which is a personal choice, but point is you get
You have an option,
two
right?
big options.
Yes.
Very big options,
And it's very safe.
and obviously DE is there, so यार IT कंपनी में जाओ, नौकरी करो 9 to 5, और कोर इलेक्ट्रिकल जो भी है, जो भी आपको डिग्री मिलता है या जो भी इंटरेस्ट आपको इंजीनियरिंग वाले में, मैकेनिकल में अगर जाना है, केमिकल, यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर मास्टर्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर engineering degree after 5 years. There are seniors who have done that. So a lot of options are there, lot of opportunities you will get at BITS, lot of them.
ऑल्सो एक चीज़ बोलना मैं भूल गया कि इंजीनियरिंग में क्या CGP इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि मैटर करता है कि नहीं है, उसके रिगार्डिंग मैंने एक वीडियो बना था, तो आप वो चेक कर सकते हो यहाँ पे। सो धवल, एनी एंडिंग थॉट्स, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो आर लाइक जो जेई दे रहे, जो बिटसेट दे रहे, काफ़ी अभी डरे हुए कि बिटसेट आ रहा है, क्या पता मेरा स्कोर बहुत ज़्यादा ना हो या फिर मुझे 12 डिग्रीज मिले, तो
स्ट्रेस मत लो यार, जो होगा अच्छा ही होगा। नहीं, ऑनेस्टली कॉलेज लाइफ विल बी, यू गेट टू लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स इन कॉलेज, दिस इज वन ऑफ देम। Don't ever take stress. Everything will be fine. Have faith in yourself. 2 साल आपने बहुत मेहनत करी है, कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा मिलेगा ही, डोंट वरी। बिट्स मिलो ना मिलो, लोकल कॉलेज मिलो ना मिलो, these are all secondary points. Main primary thing is health. Make sure you focus on your health and overall stress, mental stress, physical stress, nahi yaar, please, no. Physical health, mental health, very important. So make sure you concentrate on that along with your studies, academics.
सो गाइज दैट वॉज धवल फ्रॉम MSc केमिस्ट्री एट बिट्स एंड इज मेरा काफ़ी अच्छा दोस्त है। एंड ऑल्सो लाइक कोई भी डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल देना, आई विल ट्राई टू ऑल्सो पिन डाउन सम वीडियोज़ जो धवल ने बोला। एंड कीप हसलिंग, ऑल्सो टेक केयर अबाउट योर हेल्थ एंड स्टे सेफ, बाय बाय।